Hi, welcome to Best Review channel. Here are the top 10 toys for 4-year-old girls of 2021. The list starts from Toy Magic Mat Kids Painting Writing Doodle Board Toy Color. It's drawing mat size, 40x 28 inch. Package included Doodle Mat X1 Magic Pens X6 Drawing Mold X8 Drawing Template X4 Drawing Booklet X1 Jigsaw X1 for age 3 years old. It's educational toys, no ink, no paint, non-toxic, non-polluting. Never make a mess. The back of the mat is water-resistant nylon material, clean and safety for kids. The traces will never be chaotic, satisfying the imagination and creativity of the kids' infinite painting. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Ninth one is Toyvel Princess Dress Up and Play Shoe and Jewelry Boutique. It's the real feel of a princess. The Princess Shoes Dress Up and Jewelry Set promotes imaginary play, social emotional skills, and creative play. It is the best dress-up toy for ages 3-12 years old girls. It's building up kids' confidence, dressing them up with fairy princess shoes, and dangling pretend jewelry makes them feel like a princess, and boost their self-confidence among friends and family. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You shouldn't miss this product's review. Magic Mat Kids Painting Writing Doodle Board Toy Color Doodle. It's drawing mat size, 60x 40 inch. Package included Doodle Mat X1 Magic Pens X6 Drawing Mold X8 Drawing Template X4 Drawing Booklet X1 Roller Stamp Set X1 for age 3 years old. It's educational toys, no ink, no paint, non-toxic, non-polluting. Never make a mess. The back of the mat is water-resistant nylon material, clean and safety for kids. The traces will never be chaotic, satisfying the imagination and creativity of the kids' infinite painting. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Well, here is the 7th one. Hachi's Choice Gift Kids Camera Toys for 3 to 9-year-old girls, compact cameras. It's artistic effects. Kids' digital camera comes with fun photo effects, frames and filters. Let your kids away from smartphone and love the truth of nature. Cultivate children's hobbies. Take the first step of the genius photographer. Its compact size and delicate gift for kids. Only weight 95 grams and compact small size 93/42/61 millimeters makes the camera as convenient to carry everywhere. Packing included a durable lanyard for portability, designed for children to hang the mini camera on the neck. Simply capture scene or animals on nature with family. Experience the fun from nature. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. You should look into this product. It was surely well marketed. eBay Interactive Whack a Frog Game, Learning Active Early Developmental Toy, Fun Gift. It's fun and safety first. The Whack a Frog features 2 different game modes and a total of 38 different speed-changing levels, which will increase in difficulty as you progress. Comes with 2 PCS hammers which are soft, will not hurt themselves or others. Note: the batteries not included. It's the best gift for 3 to 10 years kids. Our interactive Whack a Frog toy was designed as a great present in the safest possible ways. It has smooth edges, soft hammers, and we use premium materials during production because we know you want only the best for your kids. Give as a birthday and holidays, Children's Day, Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving and New Year's present. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Now we will show you the 5th product in the list. TechBus Microphone for Kids, Wireless Bluetooth Karaoke Microphone with LED Lights, the best. Its colorful LED lights. Our wireless microphone has 2 upgraded glowing LED panels, and the overflowing bright colors make you feel at the center of the disco club. Noted that you can long press the left indicator to turn off the LEDs. Its louder and powerful sound. The sound's volume and quality is improved by 30%, with the Update 8W speaker, giving you a stronger shock and heavier sense, making you feel like you're singing in the center of the stage. Check out link in description to buy this product from Amazon. Customers are king, and according to them, one should buy this one. Mycaron Girl Toys for 3 to 6-year-old girls Gifts LCD Doodle Board Drawing Board. Its new design, cartoon image, specially